Why you should use a VPN. VPN servers don't just keep you safe, they also unlock the internet. Access content from other countries, bypass government censorship, and shop safely online by changing your virtual location. Lastly, next time you're online, whether it's checking email in a cafe or streaming your favorite show, remember, a VPN server can protect your connection and unlock a safer internet. Instead of your ISP seeing your traffic, they see only encrypted gibberish going to a VPN server. How does it work? Here's what's happening under the hood. When you activate a VPN, it creates a secure tunnel between your device and the VPN server. All your data is encrypted before it leaves your device. That means your passwords, personal messages, and banking info stay safe. What is a VPN server and how does it work? Ever connected to free Wi-Fi in a coffee shop and wondered if someone could be watching your every move online? They can and often are. That's where a VPN server steps in to keep your data private, secure, and hidden from prying eyes. What is a VPN server? VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. A VPN server is a secure computer that sits between you and the internet.